boat repair. Hey guys, Boondocking with Dennis. I've been on a little search this morning. Someone, who was it? Wasn't Mankind, it wasn't Mick Foley. Cactus Jack, subscriber named Cactus Jack, had asked if I could locate a shrimp boat in dry dock. I checked the Rockport harbor. There was none. There's a small repair place in Fulton Harbor, and I did not see a shrimp boat dry docked there. So I am right by Paradise Key, where there is a little, not little, it's actually pretty big, place that they repair boats. So I'm kind of just checking out the area over here, looking for a shrimp boat. There's some big tugboats that I did not know were back here. Pretty cool. I know, guys, everything's pretty cool. I get it. I have a limited vocabulary. I didn't know there were tugboats back here. Yeah. Huh. So there's another boatyard here. And I don't see any shrimp boats. There's a fixer-upper for you. That one has a Lear cab attached to the top. Kind of a little do-it-yourself boat. It's interesting. I've never gone back down this road before. You people make me get out and explore new things, and I dislike you for it, and I appreciate it. Rockport Harbor, guys. They don't do any repairs here that I know of, but where there's shrimp boats, there might be a dry dock shrimp boat. There's a shrimp boat. All the bait shops. What is that really big ship back there? I need to go find that ship, guys. I need to go find that ship. There's the Maritime Museum right there. Have you guys ever been to the Maritime Museum? Someone should do a video on that. Someone who doesn't breathe heavy into the microphone for the whole thing. I watched the replay of that. I thought Darth Vader was giving that tour with that mask on. Okay. Is today stop in the middle of the road today? I think it is. Okay. I'm going to go around you. Yep. Just stop in the middle of the road. Okay, cool. Cool beans. What is this big ship back here, guys? The Education Center. Well, no illegal dumping. Oh boy, I'm sorry, guys. I came back here to do all my illegal dumping, but there's a sign. Can't do any illegal dumping. Look at this ship back here. What is that? It's a sailboat, you moron. Oh, okay, thank you. Two grumpy old men. There you go. Looks like me and Fred Thorne went into the shrimp boat business. Wow, check out that sailboat, guys. It's big. That's pretty cool. I guess they're working on it. I've never been back this far before. I better get out of here. That's pretty cool. Two grumpy old men. I like it, guys. It's a good sized boat too. Rockport Yacht Club. So the shrimp boat count as a yacht? Members only. I guess I gotta join. That's pretty neat. I've never been back here before. Good times. How you doing, sir? I'm fine, thank you. I'll just assume he's a deaf mute and not rude. Yeah, I was just walking down the road and I passed this guy in a truck. And guess what this rude sumbitch said to me? Drives right up to me and says, "How you doing, sir?" Like that's any of his business. Ugh, can't stand people like that. I was in the store the other day. I bought some stuff. This young lady says to me, "Thank you." What kind of attitude is that? People who need people are the happiest people in the world. Tower that I walked up for the Texas Maritime Museum, that's got to be, I don't know, guys, 12, 14 stories up there. I walked right up it. Here's the outside of it. I think this is, I don't know, offices, storage. We didn't get to go into that part. That's where they keep the bodies at. There's the outdoor toys. Those emergency pods are freaking awesome. Yeah, I'm still driving around boat yards looking for a shrimp boat. Man. I should have brought Forrest with me. Okay, guys. 4 boat yards down. Still no shrimp boat dry docked. There's your dream car, guys. Rotting away at the boat yard. There's another boat yard over here on this side. Let me get to that one. Old pontoon boat. Cove Harbor Yacht Club. That's all new construction right there since the hurricane. That building was just tore to shreds. Probably of all the hurricane Rockport damage, hurricane photos and videos that I saw, that building was the one I saw the most. Maybe I can insert some still photos on to this video. This was just horrific seeing these initially and especially in person. There's a forklift they use for putting boats into storage. They probably just took one out, but as you can see, let me see, there's an opening up there. They got boats in there like a vending machine, you know, stacked up 3, 4 levels at least. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And I apologize for the awkward angle, guys, but I just wanted to show you that there are boats stacked up there. Pretty cool. Alright, guys, yeah, you can see, I mean, these are just smaller boats. The bigger ones obviously go on the bottom. But, yeah, there's some decent sized boats up in there. That looks like they're building a new restaurant or something right there. That'll be neat. Uno mas. Huh. Okay, guys. Keep your eyes. Ooh, shrimp boat dry dock. Bingo. I saw the dry docked shrimp boat, guys. There's another one right there. Wow. Very cool. There's another one right there. We hit the jackpot, guys. Dennis. There's a lot of boats up there that aren't even, no jacks or nothing. They're just tossed up there. Wow. There you go, Cactus Jack. Dry dock shrimp boat. There's another one. Dry docked shrimp boat. There's the Cyquatic, which is an awesome boat name. Captain Ortiz. Wow. That's a pretty big one. Dry dock shrimp boat. So that's rusted right through. That's not paint you're looking at, guys. Those are actually rust holes. Oh, Cortez it says on this side. Captain Cortez. That is just totally badass looking right there, guys. Captain Cortez. Dry docked. Don't see a name on this one. So this is the, we're going to call that one the Cactus Jack. Since Cactus Jack got us out today. By the way, Cactus Jack, you owe me $1.27 in gas money. We're going to call Cactus Jack, we're going to call this one a shingled roof. You know what a shingled roof is? That's on the house. Yep. More bad boat jokes. Well, that was a fun little excursion. Cactus Jack, I hope there's some footage in here you can use. And everyone else, thanks for watching.